All right, everyone, and welcome to the first video. We're going to be getting into 2.1, talking about intercepts, okay? And again, just as a reminder, these videos are individualized so they can be short and so that you can skip the ones that you don't need to watch, and you can easily re-watch the ones that you deem need to, okay? So feel free to start the homework and then come here if you get stuck. All right, so we're going to start by talking about intercepts, which is the first part of the homework assignment. So a little bit of an introduction, right? If we have some sort of function, a function that looks kind of like this, the intercepts are just where they intersect the axes. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So the function intercepts the x-axis right here. This is what's known as the x-intercept. This is what's known as a cat. The function intersects the y-axis right here. So this is what is known as the y-intercept. Okay, so that's essentially all there is to intercepts. Next, we're going to talk about how to find them given a function. Okay, so let's get into things. So in example 1, find the x and y intercepts. And the way that we're going to find these is exactly kind of looking back to where we are over here. So part 1, y equals negative 3x plus 6. So a lot of people, when they see something like this, will immediately jump to say, hey, I remember slope-intercept form, mx plus b. The y-intercept is actually just right here. And that's true. So it's where it intercepts the y-axis. It is when x is 0. So the point, our answer, the y-intercept is going to be 0, 6. The y-intercept will always have an x component that's 0. The x-intercept will always have a y component that's 0. Okay? So to find the x-intercept, right, that's when the y value is 0. All you do is plug that in. Plug in the 0 for y. We have y equals negative 3x plus 6. Plug in 0 for y. We get negative 3x plus 6 equals 0. And now we just have to solve this. We're going to subtract 6 from both sides. You get negative 6 equals negative 3x. And then divide both sides by negative 3. On the right-hand side, the numbers cancel, and we're just left with an x on the right-hand side. And the left, we divide that out and becomes positive 2. So positive 2 comma 0 is the x-intercept. And then box your answer, like so. Okay? So that's essentially how you solve these problems. I'm going to do one more in case you want extra review. Otherwise, you can get started on the homework now. Do part B. A different kind of line, 3x minus 2y equals 6. So just like last time, well, a little different than last time, if you want to put it in this form first, and then you immediately get the y-intercept, you can. But I'm going to be a little lazy and not do that. So again, the y-intercept is when x equals 0. So just plug in 0 for x. Like so. And just like we did right above, once we get here, we just simplify and solve for y. So 3 times 0 is still 0. We have minus 2y equals 6. Becomes just minus 2y equals 6. Divide both sides by negative 2. Again, they cancel. We got y equals 6 divided by negative 2, which is negative 3. This is our y-intercept. The x component is 0. The y component is negative 3. X comma y, ordered pair. And we just do the same thing for the x-intercept. Like the x-intercept is when y equals 0. Oh, also, are you guys proud of me? I'm not wearing a green shirt today. Well, I actually look somewhat normal, as normal as I can be anyway. And we can make this video. Y coordinate is 0 now, so we get 3x minus 2 times 0 equals 6. And again, this just becomes 0. We just have 3x equals 6. Divide both sides by 3. And you get x equals 2. All right. So the x-intercept is when x is 2 and y is 0. I can do a big box. All right, that's the first video. It was 5 minutes long. I'll be happy if I can keep all the videos that short, okay?